Hello students, welcome to online classes. As here we are discussing chapter first in which we learn about some basic concept of chemistry. As you saw in our previous videos, we discuss about matters and its classifications and also discuss about laws of chemical combinations. Now our next topic is Dalton atomic theory. So let's start the topic. Dalton atomic theory contains following point. As you already know, Dalton was the first scientist who explained about atom. उनसे पहले एक और थे महर्षि कन्नर, जिन्होंने सिर्फ ये बोला था पदार्थ होता है, उसमें परमाणु होते हैं, बट जो एक्चुअल थ्योरी थी वो सबसे पहले डाल्टन ने दी थी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दैट थ्योरी. फर्स्ट इज मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल indestructible particles called atoms. Means he say that अगर हम किसी भी मैटर को स्मॉल पार्ट्स में कट करते रहें तो जो सबसे छोटा पार्टिकल्स हमें मिलेगा वो क्या होगा? एटम्स. एटम्स मीन्स अनकटेबल्स विच कैन नॉट बी फर्दर कट. सो दैट्स वाई ही से दैट द मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल indestructible particles called atom. Second one is atom of same element are identical in all respect. That is shape, size, mass, all should be same. For example, if we take gold in our both hand, then we can see that in both hand gold have the same shape, same mass and same size. तभी तो अगर हम गोल्ड की कोई सी भी चीज़ ले लें तो सबके पास क्या होती है? एक जैसी ही प्रॉपर्टीज होती है. तो वो यही पॉइंट बताता है. Third is atom of different elements are completely different in all respects. For example, we take sodium and silver. Both are different because their constituent atoms are completely different. Fourth is atoms of two or more elements combine in a simple whole number ratio to form a compound. Means if we form a compound, then it should have contain a simple whole number ratio of atoms. For example, we take of glucose C6H12O6 and H2O2 peroxide, then we can see that it formed by a simple whole number ratio of an atoms. Fifth one is atom is the smallest unit to take part in a reactions. Means atom सबसे छोटा पार्टिकल होता है जो किसी भी रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करता है. सिक्स्थ वन इज एटम आर नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, इफ वी टेक हाइड्रोजन, अगर हम हाइड्रोजन को किसी स्टेट पे ले और कूल डाउन कर दें, उसे सॉलिड स्टेट में ले जाएं, गैस में ले जाएं, लिक्विड स्टेट में ले जाएं, तो हम लेकिन हाइड्रोजन की प्रॉपर्टी चेंज नहीं होगी. तो इट मीन्स एटम आर नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. नाउ let's learn some drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory. First one is it could not explain why atom of same element have different masses. उन्होंने सिर्फ ये बोला था same elements should have same masses, but ये explain नहीं कर पाए why atoms of same element have different masses. For example, if we take example of carbon, we see that carbon has the atomic number 6, but the atomic masses we see that there is a 12 and 4. So he could not give a satisfactory explanation about it. Second one is it could not explain why atoms of different element have same atomic masses. Means different elements हैं लेकिन उनके same atomic masses पाए गए, तो ये point डाल्टन नहीं समझा पाया. Third one is he explained the laws of chemical combination but could not explain the law of equal volume which was given by Gay-Lucas law. As about this point we already discussed in our previous video. Fourth one is it failed to explain the natural forces that combines the atom together to form molecules. Means डाल्टन एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाया अगर हमारे कोई एटम्स कंबाइन करके मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाते हैं तो उनके पीछे क्या रीज़न है, ऐसी कौन सी फोर्सेस है जो उन्हें एटम्स को कंबाइन करती है और हमें मॉलिक्यूल्स मिलता है. तो ये डाल्टन एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाया. And last one is it could not give the satisfactory explanation about elements and molecules. Means कुछ elements को इसने explain कर दिया था but कुछ को नहीं बता पाया. If element exist independently, so why molecules are formed? What's the needs about it? तो ये सब points मिलाकर ड्रॉबैक्स बन गए किसके? डाल्टन एटॉमिक थ्योरी के. नाउ देयर इज सम न्यू थ्योरी विच इज मॉडर्न एटॉमिक थ्योरी. दिस इज जस्ट अ मॉडिफाइड फॉर्म ऑफ द डाल्टन थ्योरी. जो भी उसके ड्रॉबैक्स रह गए थे वो सब क्या आ गए? मॉडर्न एटॉमिक थ्योरी ने एक्सप्लेन करे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस थ्योरी. एटम इज नॉट द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट विच टेक पार्ट इन अ रिएक्शन. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी एटम सबसे छोटा पार्टिकल नहीं है जो किसी भी रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी एटम खुद से इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन से बना होता है. तो जो एटम खुद 3 छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से बना है तो वो कैसे सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल्स हो सकता है? तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थ्योरी ही से दैट एटम इज नॉट द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल as it consists of electron, proton and neutron which are collectively known as fundamental particles. Second one is atom of same element may not be similar in all respect. In Dalton theory he said that atom of same element are identical in all respect, but it is not compulsory. After the discovery of isotopes clearly shows that atom of same element may possess same masses. Now what is isotopes? Atoms have same atomic number but having different mass number called isotopes. For example, carbon 12 and carbon 14. And there is lots of many others. For example, hydrogen, deuterium, tritanium, etc. Next one is atom of different element may have similar properties. Means atoms of different elements अगर हैं तो उनकी similar properties भी हो सकती है. After the discovery of isobars ये में पाया गया. For example, isobars क्या होते हैं? Isobars are defined as the atoms which having this different atomic number but have same atomic masses. Iso means same, bar means masses. For example, if we take argon and potassium, argon has the atomic number 18 and potassium has 12, but their atomic masses are completely different. Same. Both have the same atomic masses which is 40. So this point is explained by the modern atomic theory. Now next one is ratio in which different atoms combine may be fixed and integral but may not always lie in a simple ratio. As we see that when we take an example C6H12O6, then we can say that it cannot always combine in a simple whole number ratio C6H12O6. It also formed CH2O in a fixed and integral form. So this is all about some modern atomic theory. Now let's learn some basics points. First is atom. The smallest particle of a substance which may or may not have independent existence. Means atom is the smallest particle of a matter, as you already learned in the Dalton theory. Then we can say that this is the smallest particle which cannot be independently exist. For example, platinum, boron, carbon and many others. Now next is molecule. Molecule is composed of atoms and it is capable for existing independently. For example, O2, Cl2, N2 and many other gases which is present in the atmosphere, and we know that O2 exists in the atmosphere in the molecular form, nor in the atom form. So next is molecular masses. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic mass of the element present in a molecule. For example, CH4, which is an example of methane. If we calculate the molecular mass of methane, then we know that the carbon has the atomic mass is 12.011 U. Mu is द एटॉमिक मास यूनिट। ये हमें याद रखना है कि यू को हम क्या बोलते हैं, जो हमारी एटॉमिक मास को जैसे हम बोलते हैं ग्राम हो गया, केजी हो गया, कोई भी यूनिट्स होती हैं, तो जो उसका एटॉमिक मास होता है वो यू से हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। इसको हम AMU भी कर सकते हैं, एटॉमिक मास यूनिट। नाउ हाइड्रोजन हैज़ द एटॉमिक मास 1.008 म्यू। If we sum up, then the net mass of the molecular mass of the methane we get is 16.043 mu. So by this we can understand the molecular mass, how to calculate the molecular mass of any molecule. Now next is formula mass. It is the sum of atomic weight of the atoms in the empirical formula of the compound. Now what is empirical formula? We will discuss it later in our next video. Now what is formula mass? Example, NaCl. NaCl has contain sodium and chlorine, and we know that the atomic mass of sodium is 23.0 U and the atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.5 U. If we sum up, then we get the net formula mass of NaCl is 58.5 U. So in this way we can calculate the formula mass of any compound.